Hello, kids. A very happy, fresh morning to all of you. I welcome you all to the virtual classes. How are you, my dear little children? I hope this video finds you in the best of your health and spirits. So, this is your maths class, and I am your maths teacher, Sonia Gupta. So, let's begin this week's learning journey. Okay, so today now we will learn the table of 4. Okay, to learn the table of 4, here I have an activity. So let's do it with me. Yes, in your notebook, please, in your notebook, write in the very first line table of 4. Circle every fourth number. Now we have to circle every fourth number. जिस तरह से हमने टेबल ऑफ 3 के लिए एवरी थर्ड नंबर को हमने शेड किया था, इन द सेम वे हेयर वी हैव टू डू. ओके, सो जस्ट सी, देखेंगे आप ध्यान से. देखिए, फोर्थ नंबर 1, फर्स्ट नंबर, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. So it is fourth number. So now circle it. Okay, आपको ये एक ऐसे स्मॉल सर्कल करना है. Now first, second, third, fourth. Now circle fourth. Then again fourth. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, now encircle again fourth number. Now count again, first, second, third, fourth. Okay children, इसे हम ना स्किप काउंटिंग भी बोलते हैं. स्किप काउंटिंग मैंने आपको फर्स्ट क्लास में भी सिखाई थी. यस, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. नाउ encircle 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now again count first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. Now 28. Now children, again first, second, third, fourth. Now 32. First, second, third, fourth. Now encircle 36. And yes, first, second, third, fourth. Now encircle 40. Okay, so let's have a look all over. Okay, and just please repeat after me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Okay, now just look here. 4 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4, it means 2 times 4. Yes, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So write here 8. Now 3 times 4, you can see here we have added 4 3 times. So 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Now 5 times 4 is 20. Now 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are adding 4 6 times. Okay, if we add 4 6 times, then the sum is 24. It means in this way we can say 6 times 4 is 24. So please repeat once more time. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, now 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is, can you tell me? 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, now 8 times, here you can see 8 times 4. So 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, now children, we will add 4 9 times. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 4 is here. So 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, now 10 times 4. Okay, 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 4 is 40. So please repeat after me. 4 times 1 is 4. Sorry children. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. And last 10 times 4 is 40. Okay, now come on the next page. Now here we have to write the tables. Okay, इन दिस वे वी कैन राइट दिस. देखो हम जो रिपीटेड एडिशन होता है हमको उसको इस तरह से भी लिखते हैं ना, 4 टाइम्स 1. तो हम इसे यहाँ पे 1 टाइम्स 4 बोलेंगे. क्या बोलेंगे? 1 टाइम्स 4. लेकिन जिस बच्चे को 1 टाइम्स 4 नहीं बोलना वो उसे बोल सकते हैं 4 वंस. क्या? 4 वंस. वंजा नहीं बोलना है. 4 वंस आर 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 6 are 4 sixes. 4 sixes are 24. You can see here how neatly I am writing. So children, please write the table neatly. Okay, मेरा हर जो नंबर है वो लाइन पे टच है. ठीक है, इट इज़ नॉट इन द एयर. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay, in this way we can learn table of 4 very easily. आप इसे जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आप उतने ही टेबल में परफेक्ट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, टेबल्स को लिखना नहीं, बोलना और भी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. ओके, नाउ ऑन द अदर साइड आई हैव रिटन दिस, ताकि आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आए. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Children, you need to repeat after me. ओके, जिस तरह से मैं बोल रही हूँ ऐसे ही आप बोलेंगे. ओके, तो आपको और भी जल्दी लर्न हो जाएगा. 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay, so children, please speak one more time. Table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are